Big news today, the Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, and Pixel 10 Pro XL have all been leaked, and we're here to break down what's actually changing. Now shout out to OnLeaks, the guy who nailed the Pixel 9a leak, and guess what? He's got the Pixel 10 CAD models down to a T. So let's get into it. Alright, looking at the Pixel 10, it's basically the same design as the Pixel 9. We're talking flat sides, that punch hole selfie cam, and the same display bezels. But here's the kicker, a triple lens camera on the back. Yep, we're upgrading from the Pixel 9's dual camera to a new periscope zoom lens. We don't know the exact specs yet, but I'm thinking something around 3x optical zoom. Kinda like what we saw with the Nothing Phone 3a Pro. Other than that, the design stays mostly the same. The 6.3 display stays, but the body is 0.mm thicker, likely for a bigger battery. Moving on to the Pixel 10 Pro, the changes are minimal, the same triple camera setup, same 6.3 display, and the same periscope zoom, but it does look like the zoom lens is a bit bigger. The frame is going glossy, so get ready for those fingerprints. 0.1mm thicker again, probably for a bigger battery. Now for the Pixel 10 Pro XL, the flagship. Honestly, not much is different. Same screen size, same camera setup. The only real change? It's getting 0.1mm taller, but that's about it. A very underwhelming upgrade, if I'm being real. Okay, here's where it gets interesting. The new Tensor G5 chip. This is gonna be a game changer. Google's switching from rebranding Samsung chips to designing their own, partnering with TSMC. Expect huge performance gains, and the camera experience should improve too, thanks to a new custom ISP. Oh, and a new MediaTek modem for better 5G speeds and lower heat. So yeah, the Pixel 10 series isn't making huge design changes, but it's getting a solid performance boost with that Tensor G5 chip. If Google keeps the price around $800, this will be a major contender against the iPhone 16. I'd say the Pixel 10 is the real star here, especially with that triple camera setup. What do you think? Let me know your thoughts below.